The purpose of this video is to help you complete the assignment for this week. Please enter the following command into the console. Once you have entered this command, click enter. Now enter the following command into the console. Once you have entered the command, click enter. Now enter your name. My name is Jamil Guevara. After you have entered your name, click enter. Now you want to start something new. You want to click select number 6. So type number 6. Click enter. Click 1, art programming. Select type 1. Click enter. Now you want to complete module 8, which is logic. So type 8 and then click enter. Now click enter one more time. Read the red letters and you're ready to begin your lesson. Take care.